Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sell crypto in Trust Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply first of all open up your Trust Wallet on your phone, and then go ahead, tap on the asset that you would like to sell. Then from this interface, go ahead, tap on this more icon given on the right section, and now choose the sale from the pop-up options. Then go ahead, enter the amount of Ethereum or your asset you would like to sell. Once you're done, tap on this particular ramp option here. Then afterward, this kind of interface gonna pop up. Go ahead, check out the details for the last time and tap on this proceed option in the bottom. Then go ahead, enter your email address right over here and tap on I have read terms and conditions and tap on proceed. And once you tapped on proceed, you will get another interface where you will have to simply enter the code that you will receive on your email for the verification purpose. Once you've added, again tap on proceed option, and now go ahead, simply add the billing address accordingly, your name and your details as it has asked accordingly. Tap on save billing address, and once you're done adding the details, this is how it's gonna pop up. You can say use details below to make a transfer. You could gonna show your wallet address right over here as well, and your asset amount. Once you're done, tap on this option of send with your wallet, and then this interface gonna pop up. You can see asset again, from and to, your network fee as well, max total. Once you see the details, tap and confirm in the bottom again, and now the tracking process gonna show right over here. You can see waiting for your crypto, verify identity, funds delivery. Once the crypto has been received, transaction is also proceed and fund is also sent, and then this process is completed. This is how your interface gonna pop up, and you will receive your money on your bank right away. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.